All right, let's talk about a fascinating IPO out of Japan. The company is called Startline.
So, Startline just hit the Tokyo Stock Exchange's growth market. Let's get into the details.
I mean, what if a company's growth was basically guaranteed by law? That's Startline's whole deal.
Simply put, Japanese law forces companies to hire people with disabilities. Startline helps them do it.
And this legal requirement is only getting stricter. That means a built-in growing demand for their services.
You can see how this creates a powerful bull case for investors, right? Let's check the numbers.
Get this, their client churn rate is just 1.9%. Companies can't really leave without breaking the law. And that means over 2/3 of their revenue is super stable. It's all from recurring monthly fees. All this has fueled some really impressive sales growth year after year, all thanks to that legal demand. And it's not easy to compete. They use science-backed methods and offer a ton of different services. Yeah, one analyst called them a train running on legislation fuel. That pretty much sums up the bull case. But is it all really that perfect? Well, there's a hidden cost to all this legally fueled growth. You talk to employees and you hear a totally different story. They're overworked, underpaid, and burning out. So you've got this huge gap between the official story from HQ and what's actually happening on the ground. So the bear case? They totally depend on the law, and it's a super labor-intensive business model. Their whole capital cycle is pretty simple, actually. They borrow a ton, build new facilities, then slowly make it back. You see sales going up, sure, but that dip into a loss, that shows just how expensive this growth really is. Look closer at the financials, and it's all high debt. They're funding growth with loans, not profits. So here is the bottom line for investors. You get a guaranteed market, but it's a really tough business to run. It's like having a bus full of passengers who can't get off, but your drivers are about to quit. So the big question is, can Startline fix its engine while the bus is speeding down the highway?